This is Eric Imhotep with Imhotep.com, and in this video I want to take a look at this number as relates to the RSI. Now, of course, we use the 61.8 level when analyzing price action, but frankly I've never had anybody talk about how to use the 61.8 level on the RSI. This is my own research. Let's get to it. If we take the biggest drops, this was a big drop, visually speaking, big drop, right? And what we can do is, let's take a look at a log scale view, and the log scale also gives us the same conclusion. Big drop in percentage terms, big drop in percentage terms, big drop in percentage terms, big drop. All right, so let's go back to the non-log scale view. All right, now, 61.8. A break below 61.8 begins the drop here. A drop below 61.8 begins the drop here. Break below 61.8 begins this drop. And if we draw a line, I'll just draw it all the way. Keep in mind the red line is at approximately the 61.8 level, where we can see it also gives us another break point and another break point here. Now, I would encourage you to pause the video if you have time and take a look at that area, because you see certain things popping up. You can see areas of support. You can see that based on price action, a breakout here, successful entry on a bullish trade, a breakout here, another successful bullish entry, areas of support, a breakout here after some months of resistance, support. So the area has been used by the stock going back almost 30 years. By the way, here is a side note. If you take the level of 100 and 0, so RSI level of 100 and 0, of course, we are going to have RSI 50 somewhere here. 50. So between 0 and 100, obviously, RSI 61.8 falls in somewhere around here. 61.8. I am very confident that I am the first person ever to put a relationship between RSI 50 and 100, where 61.8 between 50 and 100 happens to be at 61.8. Excuse me, happens to be at 69.1 between 50 and 100. Somewhere here. 69.1. You might not have noticed, but before this break, there was RSI 69.1 uniform rejection during these highs. Before this break, there was RSI 69.1 uniform action rejection during the highs right there. Before this drop, there was RSI 69.1 uniform action rejection during this monthly closing high. I trust that you now understand the importance and the relationship between 69.1 and 61.8. Eric Imhotep with Imhotep.com, as always. Good luck. Peace and blessings. E-A-C-S.